Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Vanguard error in Valorant. Start by restarting your PC and running Valorant as administrator, then check for Windows updates and sign any pending driver prompts. Open services to ensure Riot Vanguard is running, and use the programs and features uninstall to reinstall Vanguard if needed. I'll walk through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. If Vanguard still blocks Valorant, check for driver conflicts and updates patiently. Open Device Manager and update your GPU and chipset drivers, then reboot and test the game. If you installed new security or virtualization tools, try temporarily removing them and see if Vanguard starts. Reinstalling the latest signed drivers often eliminates kernel conflicts, and I'll explain how to identify unsafe unsigned drivers without risking system stability. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming sessions when you need comfort and durability. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you want, and now let's get back to the video. When Vanguard errors persist, a clean reinstall usually helps, so uninstall Riot Vanguard from programs and features and reboot right away. After restart, launch Valorant to force Vanguard to reinstall automatically, and run both the installer and game as administrator. Temporarily disable antivirus or add exceptions for Riot folders if the installer fails, and I'll guide you through safe exception steps so you can avoid exposing your system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.